Hi, I'm Jessica from Lash's World. Today I'm going to give you a little trick to get even better retention with our Pro-Made fans. We all know already that our Pro-Made fans are made of a special blend, an exclusive blend of superior quality fibers which make them ultra soft, ultra fluffy, and also gives you ultimate retention. Now we're gonna get even more amazing retention with my little trick, okay? So we're gonna add, before we dip in the glue, we're gonna dip in my special blend of Super Bonder. So you just need to shake for like a couple of seconds. Put a drop or two of Super Bonder and you're good for a long time. Now you're gonna pick up your beautiful, beautiful fan. I absolutely love, and everybody's in love with our Pro-Made fans. They're nice, fluffy, symmetrical, ultra thin base. Now all you have to do is, before you dip in the glue, you dip just a little bit in the Super Bonder and then just a touch in the adhesive and you're good to go. As simple as that. If you have any question, you're always welcome to write me, contact me through Messenger, email, Instagram at starlashes.world. Have a great day, everybody.